All right, ladies and gentlemen, today we are over here. I'm Akhtar Shah, I'm Advocate Supreme Court of Pakistan, and I have got my friend Alamgir with me over here, Advocate Supreme Court of Pakistan. In fact, today, this election, every year we go into election, and every year we say that the rule of law. No, actually, what is the rule of law? Rule of law means equality for everybody, justice for everybody. And in fact, the lawyers, what I'm going to urge for that lawyers must look into that their professional responsibilities, and public interest must be kept at the top. And we are the best lawyer, and we are the best people in the world. And we would like that only there are two things which can, in fact, if we have those two things, one is the nation. Nation as a nation, if we are the disciplined one and if we have the sincere leadership, we are the best people and we can move the world. We can move the world. We can, because we are the best lawyer in the world. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Akhtar Shah, you are great. You are legend.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Today we are over here with our friends, and in fact today it's election day for the lawyers, and when we go for the election, it's almost every year, and I would say that we always endeavor for the rule of law. And when we say rule of law, that means the rule of law it means the equality should be there, public interest should be kept at the top, and equal rights should be given. And lawyers, in fact, they should just make an endeavor that justice system, in Pakistan, it gets more robust and more strong and more accessible to the people of Pakistan. Thank you very much. Election day, and when we say it's election day, and we welcome. And when we say election day, lawyers every year, in fact, every year they go for election, and we make endeavor for the rule of law. When we say rule of law, that means equality for everybody and public interest in the top. And we yeah. All right. Okay. Thank you very much.